Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video, I will show you what to do if you get the error "This PC can't run Windows 11". With the new Windows 11 soon to be released and the beta builds available from next week, many users wonder if their PCs will be able to run Windows 11. And nowadays most computer builds should be able to run the OS properly, but as of recent reports, various users encountered errors while checking if their PC is compatible with Windows 11. This type of error is caused by certain settings that are either not active or incorrectly set up. So let's take a look at the possible fixes and how to solve this error in no time. For a more detailed explanation and even more solutions, please check the article in the description below. So then how do we fix this PC will not run Windows 11 error? First of all, make sure that your motherboard truly has a TPM 2.0 chip. This component is usually present on most machines, but if yours is truly an old one, it might not have TPM 2.0. To find out if your motherboard has a TPM 2.0 chip, just do the following procedure. Click the Start button in the lower left corner and simply type Run. Then click on Run. Then in the Run box, just type tpm.msc and then hit OK. This should open the Trusted Platform Module Management Console. In the TPM manufacturer information screen, just check the value of the specification version. This should be equal to 2.0, exactly as presented here. Those who are not seeing this console screen and receive an error instead of the compatible TPM is not found, then the TPM chip is not available on your motherboard or is actually disabled in BIOS. That means you'll have to turn the TPM state chip to on directly from BIOS. You can also check if Secure Boot is enabled. Microsoft claims that Windows 11 requires a machine that is Secure Boot capable, but actually this feature needs to be switched on. And to activate Secure Boot, you will have to restart your PC and then enter the boot menu. And depending on the PC model you have, you should hit F2, F11 or the delete button before booting into Windows. Now search through the boot menu to find the location of this Secure Boot option and switch it on. Explicit instructions may vary from one BIOS version to another, but they are safe to follow even though you are not familiar with the BIOS menu. Then, at the end of the procedure, you can check again with the PC Health Check utility and you should now receive a confirmation message that your PC can run Windows 11. Also, the message on the Microsoft's official requirements page will be now changed. That was easy, isn't it? Now you can consider yourself prepared for the new Windows 11. For more information and details, please check the article in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.